Tesla Model 3 rocker panel rips open in small overlap test. 00 crash test. Please note that the following car starts at an expensive $35,000, topping out at a whopping $66,990 with all options. So, you would expect the best safety, right? Now, see for yourself. Notice how the A-pillar bent and the door folded. Notice how the A-pillar folded and the door mangled. Notice how the wheel intruded into the passenger compartment and crushed the doorsill/rocker panel. Notice the firewall/bulkhead pushed backwards into the footwell and the rocker panel buckled. Notice how the rocker panel/door sill tore open. Now here's the view with the dummy and carpet removed. So much for Elon Musk's false claims of world's safest car, eh? Not only that, he claims it for all his mass-produced models. Previously, I covered the Tesla Model S, which was exposed twice for not meeting safety expectations. The Model S failed to get the top rating of good in both 2016 and 2017. I can't wait for the IIHS to test the Model X and Model Y, so that Elon Musk and Tesla can be exposed further. Now let's compare that overpriced new 2019 Model 3 to a cheap 7-year-old Honda Civic back from 2013. Note that the 13 Civic costed just $17,965 when new, costing just half that of a base Model 3. The Civic topped out at $27,965, costing less than 3/7 of a fully loaded Model 3. Also note that the price of the reliable Honda can be negotiated/haggled/bargained, while the notoriously poor build quality Tesla cannot. This means that the Civic in reality costed even less than half when new. Furthermore, there are plenty of used Civics from that generation. Due to depreciation from its age, you can get a Civic for less than half of the original price. In reality, an underrated 2013 Civic costs less than a quarter of that of a comparable brand new overrated 2020 Model 3. Notice how the cabin/passenger compartment/safety cage/safety cell stays/remains intact. Notice how neither the rocker panel nor A-pillar folds or buckles. From this, it's clear that the underappreciated top-quality great value cheap affordable bargain budget-friendly bulletproof reliable Civic Honda engineering marvel that will run forever and is serviceable by anyone is safer than the overhyped low-quality poor-value unreliable Model 3 Tesla junk that breaks all the time and is always in the shop, only to be serviceable by official Tesla dealerships/service centers/dealers/dealerships. So, if you are looking for an affordable, safe, reliable, and durable car, look no further than the Japanese automakers of Toyota, Honda, Subaru, and Mazda.
When it comes to awards and accolades, the 2016 Honda lineup sweeps them all. The 2016 Honda Civic, CR-V, Pilot, and Odyssey have been recognized by Kelley Blue Book for their ability to meet the needs of families, with a keen focus on various factors, including safety and performance. When it comes to hauling those you love, safety matters most. The 2016 Accord, Pilot, and CR-V Touring have been awarded the coveted 2016 Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety in recognition for their superior crash safety performance. The 2016 Honda CR-V, Accord, Fit, Odyssey, and HR-V earned top marks with a 5-star overall vehicle score from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Come visit us today to see why a Honda is right for you.